Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we'll be cooking chicken souvlaki. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
This is 3/4 pounds of chicken breast. I'll be cutting it into smaller pieces. These are the cut pieces of chicken. I'm going to now make marinade for souvlaki. This is half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of mint, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, I'll scrape it here, one tablespoon of cornstarch. Now I'll mix it up nicely so everything is liquefied. Now I'll put the chicken in the marinade and mix it up well. After marination, you can keep it for 1 hour or so. I usually just start cooking right away. Still, it tastes good. Now I'm going to preheat the oven and broil. This is high broil. Now I'm going to put the chicken on the skewer. Now the second skewer. This is the second skewer. This is the fourth skewer. The souvlaki is ready to go in the oven. It's on the pan now, and pan has some water inside. This water keeps the souvlaki moist. Now I'll put this in the oven. It's in the oven now, and we'll keep it for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now, and I'll take out the souvlaki. Next, I'm going to put this leftover marinade in the skillet and put the skillet on medium-high heat. Now the marinade is getting hot, and I'm going to put chicken in it. We'll stir it up for about a minute or so, and that's done. This is pretty well done.
This is our finished chicken souvlaki ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video, and remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay guys, it's time for the taste test. We're going to be testing out the chicken souvlaki with our homemade tzatziki sauce as well. So we're going to do a combination. And if you want to see this recipe, we will leave a link for you to this recipe as well for the tzatziki sauce. And right now, let's give the chicken souvlaki a try. Go ahead. You look at it, dipped in the tzatziki sauce.
Better than restaurant. Huh?
Oh yeah, authentic Greek food here. Even though we're not Greek, this tastes just like Greek food. So good. And very fresh.
Nice, soft, delicious.
Feels like we're in Greece. One more piece. Cheers.
Now she's smiling again.
Hey mom, say hi to everybody.
Hi, Kara. Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
Hello, hello, hello.
Say hi.
Hello, hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi. That's it, that's it.
Good job.
Very good, very good.
Good job.
Very good, very good.